Genius travel hacks for stress-free trips. Join me as I put some genius travel hacks to the test and see if they really work before my next trip. When it comes to traveling, we've all been there, stuck in long security lines, hit with unexpected fees, and struggling to pack our bags just right. But what if I told you there are ways to avoid all that stress and make your next trip a whole lot easier? That's what we're diving into today. Genius travel hacks that will save you time, money, and your sanity. We've all experienced the frustration of arriving at the airport, only to find ourselves stuck in a security line that seems to be moving at a glacial pace. And then, to make matters worse, you get to the gate and realize you've been hit with a bunch of unexpected fees for things like checked bags and seat selection. And don't even get me started on packing. Trying to fit everything you need into a tiny suitcase without forgetting anything essential is a feat in and of itself. These are just a few of the common travel frustrations that we all face on a regular basis. And let's be real, they can really put a damper on an otherwise amazing trip. But what if you could avoid all that stress and hassle? Packing, in particular, is a major pain point for a lot of travelers. From trying to fit everything into a tiny suitcase to dealing with lost or damaged luggage, it's a wonder any of us make it to our destination with our sanity intact. And then there's the issue of staying organized on the road. From keeping track of your itinerary to remembering where you put your passport, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But fear not, fellow travelers. I'm about to share some genius travel hacks that will make your next trip a whole lot easier. First up, let's talk about packing cubes. These little gems are a total game changer when it comes to keeping your suitcase organized. Another hack that saved me a ton of money is signing up for fare alerts. These services will send you notifications when the price of a flight drops, so you can snag a great deal. And let's not forget about leveraging credit card benefits. If you're not using your credit card rewards to book travel, you're missing out. One of my favorite travel hacks is to roll my clothes when I pack them. It might seem like a small thing, but it can really help reduce wrinkles and save space in your suitcase. And finally, consider packing a portable power bank to keep your devices charged on the go. But the most ingenious travel hack I want to share with you is this. Book your flights on the right day of the week. Research has shown that booking flights on certain days, like Tuesdays, can result in significantly cheaper fares. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to do. This hack has genuinely changed the way I approach my travel plans. By booking on the right day, I've saved hundreds of dollars on flights. And you can too. It's amazing to think about how something as simple as booking on a certain day of the week can make such a big difference in your travel budget. So there you have it, folks. A whole bunch of genius travel hacks to make your next trip a whole lot easier. From packing cubes to fare alerts, these hacks are designed to save you time, money, and stress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own travel hacks in the comments below. If you want to see more videos on travel tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video.